Good morning, children. As you know, there are three measures of central tendency: mean, median and mode. Already we discussed about mean in previous class. So in today's class, we'll discuss about median and mode. Let's see chapter 14, exercise 14.2, page number 341. We are doing first question. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Here he has given table in which he mentioned age of the people in years and number of patients. That means 5 to 15 years, 6 patients admitted. 15 to 25 age, 11 patients admitted. Like that he has given 55 to 65. So let's see what he is asking. Find the mode and the mean of the data given in above table and compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. Clear, children? Here I will show you only mode. Mean we have solved in previous class. So you see the method and you only solve by taking this table mean. Am I clear, children? I will not show mean today. Only I will show you mode. Let's see. You know mode formula for group data. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. And always remember, children, in all three measures of central tendency, mode is the easiest one. Here you no need to prepare any more columns. So two columns he has given. Class interval, that is nothing but age, and frequency is nothing but number of patients. No need to prepare the third column. These two columns only, whatever he has given, we need to copy. He has given, we copy. Now F0, F1 and F2 we have to select. F0, F1 and F2 are the frequencies. So let's see the frequency table. In that frequency table, see the highest frequency. Highest frequency is 23. That is nothing but F1. Above the F1 is F0 and below the F1 is F2. Are you getting my point, children? See, in the mean mode formula, F0, F1 and F2 is there. So that is nothing but frequencies. So see, in the frequency column, select the highest frequency, that is 23. Correct? That 23 you need to make it F1. Above the F1 you see that number, that frequency is F0. Below F1 you see that is nothing but F2. Am I clear, children? And wherever you make F1, see that L is nothing but lower limit. Here lower limit is 35, upper limit is 45. So lower limit is 35. But see, in the previous class interval, whether it is a continuous or discontinuous data. Continuous and discontinuous we discussed. Where we are ending, we have to start from there only. That is a continuous. So here upper limit is 35 and here lower limit is 35. Continuation is there. That's why I have circled and shown you whether it is continuous or not continuous. Clear, children? So lower limit is 35. Am I clear? How much distance is there? 5 to 15. How much? 10 differences are there. That is nothing but H, height of the class or size of the class. So L is 35, F0 is 21, F1 is 23, F2 is 14 and height of the class H is 10. Clear, children? Substitute these values in the mode formula. So mode equal to L is 35. So 35 plus F1 is 23 minus F0 is 21 divided by 2 into F1. So 2 into 23 minus F0 is 21 minus F2 is 14 into 10. 10 is what, children? H. Clear? This 35 as it is plus 23 minus 21 is 2 into this 10. Also we are taking under the fraction only because multiplication will multiply with numerator only. 2 into 23, 46 minus, both are negative, children. So both negatives we will add it. Correct? But write the negative sign only. So minus 21, 14 is nothing but 35. Clear, children? That is equal to 35 plus 2 into 10, 20 divided by 46 minus 35 is 11. Clear? 35 plus this 35 we are writing as it is plus, now this is in fraction, we are dividing here. Let's see, 20 divided by 11. 11 ones 11, remainder is 9. Take it and copy, keep point and take 0. That become 90. 11 8s 88, remainder is 2. 2 we can't divide, point is there, take 0. Again 11 ones 11, remainder is 9. We can't divide, point is there, take 0. 11 8s 88, remainder is 2. Again and again same we are getting, children. So answer is 1.8181. 20 by 11 answer is 1.8181, so on. Clear? So mode equal to 35 plus 1.8181, so on. So here you add, children. This is without point, means we can write point 35.0, and this is 1.81. Number enough, children. Now we are adding 0 plus 8 is 8, 5 plus 1 6, 3. Clear, children? So mode is 36.8. Am I clear? You find mean you will get it as 35.37. You will get the mean. So he said compare these two. So mode age is 36.8 years, mean age is 35.37 years. That means maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital are of the age 36.8 years, while on an average, the age of patients admitted in the hospital is 35.37 years. Am I clear, children? He said compare, we are comparing here. Now let's see median. So here I have to, for median, exercise 14.3, page number 350. Let's see what is the question. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. He said again median, mean and mode. Mean we discussed in previous class. Mode we discussed just now. So again I will show you only median. Your homework is to find mean and mode of the same given table. Clear, children? And compare, he mentioned. Let's see what he has given. Monthly consumption he has given 65 to 85, 85 to 105. So how much differences are there, children? 20 differences are there. And number of consumers is 4, 5, 13, 20 he has given. So let's see how to solve for median. Here I am solving median, children. Mean and mode you need to do. For median, only one more column you need to prepare. He has given two things, you need to prepare one more column. So class interval is nothing but monthly consumption, number of consumers is nothing but frequency. So in third column you need to prepare cumulative frequency. Clear, children? In mean we have to prepare many columns, means 4 5 columns. In mode no need to prepare any column. In median only one more extra column we need to prepare. Clear, children? He has given class interval, I have written. Frequency he has given, I have written the same thing. Now we have to find the cumulative frequency. Let's see how to find the cumulative frequency. See the frequency column. First he has given 4, as it is we need to write. Second he has given 5. So this 4 plus 5 we need to do 9. Then third 9 plus this 13 we need to do 22. Then 4 22 plus this 20 42. Then 42 plus this 14 56. Then this 56 plus 8 64. Then this 64 plus 4 68. He mentioned 68 consumers. We got 68 only. Understood, children? How to find the cumulative frequency? Again I will tell you. Let's see. First frequency as it is we will write. Second frequency we will add these two, 4 plus 5 9. Third one is 9 plus this 13 22. Next is 22 plus 20 42. Then 42 plus 14 56. 56 plus 8 64. 64 plus 4 68. Am I clear, children? How to find the cumulative frequency? Then in that you can see there are two ways to find the F and CF. In frequency column you can see the highest frequency. What is the highest frequency, children? Here F20 is the highest frequency. You can make that as F, and in cumulative frequency above that is CF. Are you getting my point, children? In the frequency column, see the highest frequency, that is F. In the same column, cumulative frequency, take the above column value, that is nothing but CF. Clear, children? Now one more thing, lower boundary L also we need to find. See the frequency column, come here. See in the class interval, lower boundary is 125, upper boundary is 145. See whether it is a continuous or discontinuous. 125 and 25, it is a continuous only, so that's why we are circling. That is nothing but lower limit. Am I clear, children? First thing, what is median formula? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the median formula where we need to find F, CF and L value. L we know lower limit only, H also we know height of the class. N is nothing but this number of frequencies. When you add these values, frequency column, you will get 68. That is nothing but N, or you can say summation Fi also, both are same. So we will get through that. But the thing is that F and CF how to find? Just now I have shown you. See in the frequency column, highest frequency, that is F, correct? In the same row you see that for cumulative frequency you take the above row value, that is nothing but CF. Clear? In class interval you see the lower limit, whether it is continuous or discontinuous. You check. If it is continuous, directly you can take the lower limit. Clear children? This is one way. Second way is you find n by 2. What is n by 2? N is 68 divided by 2, that is nothing but 34. In cumulative frequency column, you check where is 34 or above of 34, that is 42. Select that full row. Are you getting my point? Select that full row. In that row above of the cumulative frequency is CF, above row in cumulative frequency is CF, and in frequency column the same column value is F. Am I clear children? There are two ways. Am I confusing you? Again I will tell you. See, in median we need to write two columns already he has given. We need to prepare one more column, that is nothing but cumulative frequency. Already I have shown you how to find the cumulative frequency. Now the thing is that how to find CF and F. Are you getting my point? So in frequency column, select the highest number as F. In the same row, cumulative frequency, go to the above row, that is nothing but CF value. Clear children? Or you can go by n by 2 method. N by 2 is nothing but 68 by 2, because here n is 68. 68 by 2 equal to 34. You see in cumulative frequency exactly 34 or above the 34. Where is it? 42 only we can take. Circle this full row. Clear? Above the row in cumulative frequency column, above that number, that is CF. In cumulative frequency, whatever we circle, see in the frequency row, and the highest the frequency row, that is nothing but F. Are you getting my point? Lower limit as it is we know. Clear children? Let's see how to substitute. L is 125, median is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L is 125, so we are substituting, plus n by 2 is 34 minus CF is 22 divided by F is 20 into height of the class also 20, 20 differentiator. So that is equal to 125 as it is, plus 34 minus 22 is 12 into this 20 divided by 20. This 20 get cancelled children, 21s. So remaining is 125 plus 12. So 125 plus 12 is 137. So what is your median? 137. So you find mean, you will get 137.05, and mode you will get 135.76. So how can we compare here? In this case, mean, median and mode all are approximately same. Clear children? So today's your homework is solve chapter 14, exercise 14.2, question number 2, and exercise 14.3, question number 2. Clear children?